Papu Kanna, listen here. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, secant A and tan A in terms of cot A. In terms of cot A. So, actually cot A is nothing but 1 by tan A, isn't it? So, but we want tan A equal to 1 by cot A. Understand? Because we want to find out the tan A. So, tan A equal to 1 by cot A. Understand? So, in terms of cot they have asked. Next one is cosecant A. Next one is what? Cosecant A. That is, we know that 1 plus cot squared A equal to cosecant squared A. Isn't it? So, cosecant squared A is 1 plus cot squared A. 1 plus cot squared A equal to cosecant squared A. Cosecant squared A equal to 1 plus cot squared A. So, cosecant A you want to find out. Understand? Why I have chosen this? Because they have asked sin A. They have asked sin A, isn't it? So, sin A is nothing but 1 by cosecant A. You should know why I have chosen this identity. And also they have asked in terms of cot. So cosecant A is nothing but plus or minus root of 1 plus cot squared A. Why plus or minus? Suppose if x squared equal to 25. Then x equal to what? Plus or minus root of 25. Isn't it? But here A is acute. Here A is acute. That is less than 90. Acute means what? Less than 90 degree. So, cosecant A is positive. Cosecant A is positive. Why? When A is acute. When A is acute. Understand? So, cosecant A equal to root of 1 plus cot squared A. Cosecant A equal to what? 1 plus cot squared A. What do you want to find out? You finished finding out tan A, isn't it? Tan A is nothing but 1 by cot A, because cot A is 1 by tan A. Then tan A is 1 by cot A. Understand? So, cosecant A equal to root of 1 plus cot squared A. Understand? So, cosecant A is nothing but here. What is it? 1 by sin A. Understand? Cosecant A is nothing but 1 by sin A. But they have asked sin A. They have asked sin A. So, what you have to do is sin A equal to 1 by cosecant A. Sin A equal to what? 1 by cosecant A. That is 1 by, what is cosecant A? Root of 1 plus cot squared A. So, sin A equal to 1 by root of 1 plus cot squared A. Next one is what? Secant A. Next one is what? Secant A. Secant A. We know the identity, isn't it? That is 1 plus tan squared A equal to secant squared A. Isn't it? Otherwise, you can write like this also. What? Secant squared A equal to 1 plus tan squared A. So, secant A equal to plus or minus root of 1 plus tan squared A. As usual, here A is acute. Here A is acute. That is less than 90. Less than 90 degree. Therefore, secant A equal to positive root of 1 plus tan squared. Since it is positive, no need to write the symbol. Secant A equal to plus root of 1 plus tan squared A. Isn't it? Here secant A equal to root of 1 plus tan square. But they have asked in terms of cot. So root of 1 plus tan squared, how can you write this? 1 by cot squared A. 1 by cot squared A, isn't it? That is tan A equal to 1 by cot. Understand? So you want to find out the LCM, isn't it? So secant A equal to, while you are taking LCM, cross multiply this. That is cot squared A plus 1 divided by, what is it? Cot squared A. Root of, next one is secant A equal to numerator and denominator. Just you split it out like this. For numerator, this is. Next, denominator. For denominator, what is it? Cot A into cot A. This is nothing but what? Cot A into cot A. Numerator as it is you must write, because here it is what? Two terms are there. You won't be able to find out the square root. So cot squared A plus 1 divided by cot A into cot A. What is it? Root of. Understand? So what is it here? Cot A. Root of cot squared A plus 1 divided by cot A. There is no root in the denominator. You have taken root, square root, isn't it? Because cot squared A. So out of 2 cot, you have taken 1. Understand? So this is the answer. Secant A. Secant A equal to root of cot squared A plus 1 divided by cot A. Is it okay? Sin A is 1 by root of 1 plus cot squared A. Tan A is nothing but 1 by cot A. Do you